Hey there, gentlemen. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we've got something special for you. A foolproof hair care routine crafted exclusively for guys. If you've been struggling with lackluster locks or just want to elevate your grooming game, you're in the right place. We're about to spill the secrets to a hair care routine that not only works but is tailored just for you. From essential tips to must-have products, get ready to transform your hair into its best version yet. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the perfect hair care routine, let's talk about the foundation, understanding your hair type. Men's hair comes in a variety of textures, and knowing yours is the first step to achieving that dream hairstyle. You don't need to know all the technical terms that you learned from other videos like hair types like 2A or 4C. That is bullshit for now. Just understand that there are 3 types of hair, which are fine hair, medium hair, or coarse hair. I will tell you how you can find in which category your hair falls. Let's start. Fine hairs ever tried skipping shampoo like those viral videos? Well, I get it, but it didn't quite work out for everyone. If your hair turned into a greasy mess with some funky curls after ditching the shampoo, don't worry, you might just have fine hair, and that's totally cool. Personally, I even have fine hairs, and I used to think that I needed to shampoo daily. Otherwise, I'd have to carry messy, curly hairs the next day to work. But hold on, I found out that I can fix this with some products and a routine. Arrange your days and shampoo every 2 days, and when you shampoo, conditioner is a must. Don't use that 2-in-1 shampoo conditioner. It's not good for your hair health. Once you are done washing and conditioning, apply a good quality serum to your hair. This will make your dull hair shine. Now follow these steps by skipping one day. This way, you will shampoo your hair 3 to 4 times a week, which is okay for guys with fine hair. Here is a bonus that I personally use, and it does wonders for my hair. Apply an egg mask weekly. Try to apply a full egg to your hair. Don't remove the egg yolk, as that will bring bounce to your hair. Apply an egg mask and leave that for 30 minutes to an hour, and then wash it off with shampoo. Remember, always apply conditioner to your hair once you are done with shampoo. There are some types of products that you should always avoid. Products that contain oily combinations are a big no-no for guys with fine hair. With this, I am not saying you cannot apply oil to your scalp. Definitely you can. Just wash with shampoo after applying the oil. Avoid shampoos and conditioners that contain oily elements. Let's move to medium hair. As the name suggests, medium hair lies between fine hair and coarse hair. Your hair doesn't get greasy super fast, but it still gets greasy if you don't wash it for more than 3 days. It also might have a bit of volume to it, but not a crazy amount of volume. The advantage of this type of hair is that it tends to hold volume much better than fine hair. You can still easily add texture to your hair after not washing it for 2-3 days. The principle is simple. Avoid heavy products to make your hair bounce and to have a natural look. Medium hairs and fine hairs have nearly similar properties. To make your hair look good, you should absolutely avoid heavy products. Use lighter products, and your hair will look more natural and bouncier. Remember, with fine and medium hair, our goal is not to overload it with any heavy or oily products. These products make hair greasy super fast, so avoid them. You must be wondering which products are lighter. I would say to use a lighter serum, and for volume, you can use a hair volumizing powder wax, which is a lighter yet effective way to make your hair hold and have volume. Now coming up to coarse hair, you are some lucky dudes who have coarse hair, which means you can avoid hair washing for weeks, and still your hair looks good. I'll tell you about all your favorite YouTubers who do no shampoo challenge. Most of these people have coarse hair, which is why they show a positive effect of no shampoo in the video. But you need to understand that if you have fine or medium hair, you will not see similar results as seen on YouTube. Whereas guys with coarse hair can live without shampooing their hair and still look good. You guys can try the no shampoo trend and it will work for you. So it's come to this. It's easy to find which hair type you have: fine hair, medium hair, or coarse hair. Just don't wash it and see how quickly your hair gets greasy. If it's getting greasy the next day after shampoo, you have fine hair. If it's getting heavy and greasy after 2 to 3 days after shampooing, you have medium hair. And if after shampoo, your hair still looks good after 5 days, you have coarse hair. Find your hair type and follow the steps shown in this video. Until then, subscribe to the channel, share this video with your buddies, and I will see you next time.